Discover the beauty of Newport, Tennessee. Welcome to 108 Highway 160. Experience one-level living at its finest in this conveniently located 2-bedroom, 2-full-bathroom ranch home with a full living area and a workshop on the lower level. This meticulously maintained property has the best of both worlds. It's perfect for the outdoor enthusiast who loves water sports and open spaces, as well as the nature lover who seeks privacy and acreage combined with convenience. The home features views of the French Broad River from every angle. The lower level of the lot is where you'll find your over 550-foot waterfront access. It's perfect for outdoor festivities, fishing, kayaking, boating, or just an evening stroll down to your private riverfront to watch the sunset and take in nature at your leisure. The property includes just over 10 acres with 700 feet of road frontage. There's plenty of space to add to the property, whether it's a workshop or even another home. You're just 20 miles from Morristown, 25 miles to Sevierville, 15 minutes to Douglas Lake and Dandridge, and within reach of 2 major airports. You will be more than impressed with this move-in ready property. Several updates and enhancements have been made to ensure full and immediate enjoyment of everything 108 Highway 160 has to offer. Schedule your showing today. Call Abe Baah of Smart Realty direct at 865-361-9190.